Is your computer running slow and driving you crazy? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to speed up your slow PC or laptop with simple, proven steps anyone can follow, no tech skills needed, and also, please give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. Step 1. Disable startup programs. First, let's disable unnecessary startup programs that slow down boot time. Go to Task Manager. Click the Startup tab, and disable apps you don't use daily. Only keep essentials like antivirus active. Step 2. Uninstall unused software. Next, remove unused programs. Go to Settings. Click Apps. Then uninstall any software you haven't used in a while. Old games, toolbars, and trial software take up resources. Step 3. Clean temporary files. Now, free up space by cleaning junk files. Type Disk Cleanup in the search bar, select your drive, and let Windows remove temporary files, recycle bin contents, and system cache. If you have gotten some value so far, please give this video a like, subscribe to the channel. Step 4. Optimize background services. Go to Services, Windows plus or keys, type services.msc, and stop unnecessary background services, like Xbox Live or Print Spooler, if you don't use them. Step 5. Scan for malware. A slow PC might be infected. Run a full scan with Windows Defender or a free tool like Malwarebytes to check for malware slowing things down. And that's it. Your PC should now be running much faster. If this helped, give the video a like and don't forget to subscribe for more simple tech tutorials every week.